So in this fourth CSS battle, ups and downs, we need to create this, so that will be easy. I'm going to paste my previous code so that I can do it fast, right? So I need three. I will create one more block C, and body background color will be this, and then I need A, B, and C, all positions absolute, and also I need background color of this, and width I am not sure how much I need, but 100 I think will be good, and height also 100 will be good, and then left and top I need, but for B, that border radius I don't need I think, and width, height, all other thing I am going to remove. I don't need that much complication, right? Now let me do this fourth UPS ups and downs. Background I have set it, and position absolute, background color for this set it. Width, let me check, open the diff. Yeah, width is correct. And height, to check the height first, let me set the top to correct. It will be 150. Yes, and height also I think is correct here. See here, it is matching with this. So now I only need border radius, and also need to move them to correct places, right? So for B, I need it to left of 0 and top of minus 150. Let me open the diff. Yeah, left I need more, around 50 or 150. No, only 100. Yes, 100, and top only minus 100. Yes, and for the C I need similar thing. Let me copy these two things, and let me remove it. Top I need 100, and left only 100. Oh, nice. Very good. Then what I need more? Now I only need to do that water radius thing, right? So for A and C, I can do same, right? And for B, I can do same. So here border radius 0, 0, 50%, 50%. Nice. I think we are on the good track already. Okay, nice. I think we are 100%. Let me check the diff. Yeah, diff is matching. And let me remove some space, then we will good to go. Let me remove this, let me remove this space and this space. I think the dots are already removed. Now I need to remove the new lines. Yeah, now let me submit it. 276, now 238. Now I completed in 216, and I have also achieved high score this time also. Nice. And it was 100%. I didn't see the percentage. Why they are not showing the percentage here anymore? Previously they were showing here. Now I can only see percentage areas. It is 100% match. Nice. For CSS battle is complete. Wow.